Artificial rice, fortified rice, instant rice, brewing type instant rice?
What?
No, no, no. The production process of artificial nutrition rice production line produced by Ainoke Machinery. One. Powder mixing. The main applicable machines are mixing machine, mixer, crushing broken rice or rice flour into powder, adding various trace elements and stirring evenly. 2. Feeding. The main applicable machines are screw feeder. The prepared raw material is transported to the feed hopper of the extruder through the screw type to reduce waste. 3. Extrusion molding. The main applicable machines are twin screw extruder. Through the screw, under high temperature and high pressure, the tissue structure in the raw material is destroyed, fully expanded, and rice-shaped nutritional rice is obtained. Through mold production, products of different shapes can be obtained by changing molds. Four. Vibrating screening. The main applicable machines are vibrating screen. The nutritious rice grains that have just been extruded and peeled by the extruder contain a certain temperature and viscosity, and the adhered rice grains can be evenly distributed through the vibrating screen. 5. Air conveying. The main applicable machinery are air conveyor, which sends artificial rice grains into the oven, and the height of the hoist depends on the oven. 6. Baking. The main applicable machines are multi-layer oven. Most of the ovens are electric ovens. The temperature is adjusted by the control cabinet. The baking time can be adjusted according to the speed, reduce the moisture of the particles, and prolong the shelf life. 7. Cooling and conveying. The main applicable machines are cooling conveyor. The baked particles contain a certain temperature, and cooling to a suitable temperature can ensure the packaging quality. The nutritional rice production line is another innovative application of twin-screw extrusion technology. The production process uses rice flour, corn flour, etc. as the main raw materials, and can be extruded through a twin-screw extruder to add various nutrients necessary for human health, such as vitamins, minerals and dietary fibers. Granulation and production of nutrient-fortified rice. This processing technology not only retains the original ingredients of ordinary rice, but also supplements and strengthens the nutrients necessary for human health lost during the rice finishing process. It can also be used for coarse grains to produce multi-grain rice. For more food machinery questions, you are welcome to contact us at any time.